Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to Dr. Hamidun, my lecturer for soil mechanics, and to my viewers. Salam Ramadan. So, my name is Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Hairizan. My matrix number APY90134, and I am student from UTHM. So, for today, I would like to tell a story about two methods that are applied in soil investigation. So the first method is sampling, and the second method is in sampling. There have 7 methods. So the first method is split spoon sampler. Split spoon sampler is a tube split into 2 equal half lengthwise. The 2 halves are locked together during the sampling activities and released to retrieve the samples. Once a sample is taken, the operator remove the ends from the tube. This allows the tube to split open. The advantage of split spoon sampler is easy to obtain sample, produce very good quality, and disadvantage for split spoon sampler is high maintenance and needs skilled workers. For the test pit process is dug before the construction. Test pit are usually between 1 and 4 meters depth and are dug either by hand or using mechanical digger. So the advantage of test pit is lower cost, relatively quick. So for the disadvantage is depth limit until 3 to 5 meter only, and impractical in unstable soil conditions. So next we move to open drive samples. Open drive sample consists of thin wall tube which are pushed or driven into the soil at the bottom of the hole and rotate to detach the lower end of the sample from the soil. The entire tube is pushed or driven into the soil at the bottom of the hole and is removed sample with inside. So for the advantage is cheapness and ruggedness and simplicity. So for the disadvantage, poor cleaning, borehole, and problem of sample retention during withdrawal. Next we move to block sampling. Block sampling is a column of the soil is carefully exposed so that when the sample box is centered over the column, a 1-inch open sample is left on all sides of the sample and a half-inch space is left at the top. The empty areas are filled with microcrystalline wax. The advantage for block sampling is produce sample of high quality, collecting high quality of soft clay. The disadvantage undergo stress relief and material are easily disturbing. So move to tin wallet, or as we known as Shelby. Tin wallet, the end of the tube is covered with candles paraffin. After the tube contains sample removed, the tube is sent to the laboratory for manufacturer experiment. The advantage for tin wallet is method is more economical and soil samples are easy to obtain. For the disadvantage, stress during decomposition and can use at harder materials and depth height. For the measure sampling, as you can see, the core barrel is rotated into the soil either in a case hole or a hole stabilizer with drilling mud. The inner tube protrudes below the cutting bit connected to the outer barrel. The cutting action of rotation beat water or drilling flood discharge. For the advantage is undisturbed care samples from soft soil and stops water from disturbing the core. And the disadvantage is taking sample using pressure or applying pressure. Next, expensive cost and complicated work process. We move to second method that is called in situ. In situ have 3 methods. The first is standard penetration test, SPT. So for SPT is split spoon sampler is installed at the base of the drill rod and driven into the ground by using hammer rod. After a split spoon blast sampler can be cleaned and opened to get the sample distributed for examination and testing. The SPT decision is influenced by overburden pressure at the location where the number a trip was made. The advantage for SPT is relatively quick and simple, provide a representative soil sample. The disadvantage is does not provide continuous data, limited ability to gravels, cobbles and boulders. So next we move to JKR prop or Macintosh. Prop is driven into the ground with heater weight 5 kg through the fall free. Free rotation or penetration will be stopped between 15 or 400, 300, something like that, which earlier. So for the advantage is obtaining rough characteristic of surface conditions, determine the thickness of unsuitable material to be removed. For the disadvantage, unable to penetrate hard layer, not suitable to use in stony ground. Next, we move to the thin metal knife blades. We move to cone penetration test. Cone penetration test is process is thin metal knife blade cross mounted on the funnel vertical. Testing is done with emphasized vein tester into the ground and then use torque against upright funnel. The advantage is rapid and inexpensive real-time measurement. The disadvantage is depth limited, required special equipment and skilled operator.